How to make money on YouTube without making any videos, coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Millard Brady here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube without making a single video. And before we go into the topic, on this channel, I show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So how you can make money on YouTube without, actually making a video, because as you see here, I'm actually making my own videos, and the reason for that is I'm branding myself. I'm making videos that will help a lot of people in making money online. But if you're the type of person that doesn't want to make a videos for themselves, like putting yourself on the video, you can still actually make money on YouTube, and a lot of people are actually doing it, and it's crazy that not a lot of people know that a lot of people that are actually doing it. So I'm here gonna show you now on YouTube how you can make money, right? So I'm gonna take you step by step, right? So I'm gonna be very, to try to make it so simple, and I'm gonna make this video as short as possible. And if I miss something out, or if you have any question, just comment on the comment section down below and just ask me so we can help each other out. Right, so how you can make videos on YouTube. So first step is make a channel on YouTube. It's free. What you're gonna do is just create a YouTube account by having a Gmail account, a Google Mail account. So if you don't have that, I suggest you create a Gmail account. So that way you can make a YouTube channel, right? So don't worry about the channel art and the thumbnail art. We're gonna worry about that later on in this video. So what you're gonna do here, so how you can make money on YouTube without making any videos, is that you have, let's say, funny vines, right? If you want to make a channel, if you love making videos of funny vines, because a lot of people are actually going on YouTube to entertain themselves, like those kind of videos that the America's Funniest Home Videos, type of videos that makes them laugh, and type of videos that are cringy, like challenges or fails. A lot of people like to see fails, have fun, so those type of videos are people actually searching here on YouTube. So let's take, for example, funny vines, because I love vines. It makes me funny. It makes me laugh a lot, right? So funny vines. So what's I'm gonna do? Right, so funny vines here, you see, they have 3 million views, thousands of views, millions of views, right? So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go here on the filter, right? Filter, click that, and you go here at Creative Commons. Creative Commons are videos that are licensed, right? The creator of that videos license you to reuse it. So that's how you're gonna make money, because what you're gonna do is just find videos that that have a Creative Commons license, and then what you're gonna do is reuse that video. Just add something in the front, in the beginning, in the middle, and the end, or you find videos and combine them or mix them up, right? So that's what we're gonna do. You don't actually use the same video and just re-upload it. So that's what YouTube called a duplicate content. So what you're going to do is just take those videos, cut them up, right? You can do that on the YouTube editing app and the same YouTube channel, on the YouTube Studio, and just make something up, right? And before you can use the video, you have to make sure that it has that Creative Commons license. So how are you going to check that? Is that when you click on the video, right? Let me pause it first. You see here, go to show more. And you will see here the license, the Creative Commons Attribute License, Reuse Allowed. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna, that's how you're gonna set up your YouTube channel by just using these videos, and then have fun with it, and just mix it all up. All right. So that's how you're gonna make tons of money in YouTube. So on YouTube, the way you can make money on this one is that by views count, right? So you will have, they will pay you out $1 for every 1,000 views, and also with Google AdSense, with advertisement. So that's how you're gonna make money by doing that. It's gonna take you a while, but once you get it started and get it rolling, you will actually have fun in just making videos by mixing other videos, and you will actually make money on YouTube by that. And there's going to be a lot of setup on that, but I'm not going to discuss that on the video. But if you want, I'm going to make another video because I don't want this video to be that long. So I'm going to help you set up your YouTube channel where you can actually enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Right, guys? So again, that's how you're gonna make video. That's how you're gonna make money on YouTube without making any videos, by using Creative Commons videos, and you're gonna actually have fun doing that. Right, guys? So I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you need help on your YouTube channel, just let me know. All right, guys? So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.